What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, we're making basically some leftover Thanksgiving sliders, and you're saying to yourself, like, come on, Thanksgiving leftovers, huh? You too? Well, you know, I think everybody's got them right now. The fridge is overflowing, man. Thanksgiving, it came and went. You ate too much. If you like me, you had a little too many, and somebody's uncle was probably over in the corner saying, pull my fingers, huh?
Oh, baby, too. Oh, now, see what you made me do? God damn it, I messed up my thing.
Watch out. Now, dropping them devil egg bombs, brother. Now, we got so much shit over here that there ain't no way nobody's asking what's for dinner tonight. We're going to just piece this together. And I figure, you don't just want the same old plate that you made last night 3, 4, 5, 6 times. You want some new, good. So, I'm going to make a little slider, if you don't mind me saying so myself. And the first thing you got to do to do that, got to get some rolls. Most people have rolls laying around from yesterday. So take your roll, split it in half, and I like to flatten mine out because we're going to load this sucker up big time. Now, got some leftover yams on there. Can we get to the yams? Them sweet yams. Put them yams on the bottom of the thing. And let's go ahead and put our big turk daddy on there because we got plenty of it. We don't have to worry about using too much. Use as much as you want. Now, put that stuffing on there too. That good old food for you. It's just a stove top for me because you say to yourself like, oh, did you make homemade stuffing this year? Hell no. I ain't got time for that shit. Took enough time on a little bird. Now, Larry Bird. So let's go ahead and put that on there. And then I want a little sweet on this thing too because that's the thing. I've seen a bunch of people nowadays trying to do this stuff. The Arby's tried to do it. Subway tried to do it. I ain't spending no damn money because I got everything and more right inside that refrigerator door. So, they like to put the cranberry sauce on top of theirs. Me, I'm not a real big fan of that cranberry shit. So, the grape jelly it is. I just went and took some from SpongeBob's house and put it on top of there too. Now, thing about it is I probably could have made 5, 6, 7 of these, put them in there, and maybe put them in the oven and heat them up and make them grandiose. But I done cooked my butt off yesterday. I'm tired of damn cooking, so I'm just gonna have this one. And if it's good, I'll make me another one in a minute. But first, let's have a big post-Thanksgiving sight and a big turkey stuffing loaded. That Thanksgiving leftover deal tonight, my friend. So. Alright, buddy, the time has come. The leftover slider is done, and I'm having that first bite. Well, it ain't the first bite, it's like the 47th. I don't even know if I'm hungry anymore if I'm eating it. Oh, damn. That's a strange good sandwich. That's everything you love about Thanksgiving. You get a little taste of the yams and everything, and that sweet grape jelly on top. Damn good. And that turkey, if I do say so myself, did a good job on that turk dog, so it tastes pretty damn good on its own. So, and that's back. Love it, man. And wow, that was a big old turkey bite. I got a feeling I'm going to be loving it for a couple more days because we packed and loaded and ready to go. So, I want to thank you for stopping by day after Thanksgiving to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like, subscribe, follow me on social media, and you can watch all my other cooking videos right here on the YouTube channel. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to eat this, probably get in there and take another beer out and drink it, and maybe take a damn nap because I feel like everything's just turkey and beer, oh my, so, I ain't complaining.